I was experiencing the challenges for about 6 months. And what made me wait was, typical male, it'll take care of itself, rub some dirt on it, it'll be all good, right? Yeah, so after 6 months, I decided, it's not going away, it's not getting any better, so it was pretty severe, I guess. I mean, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it about a 7 maybe. And the fact that I couldn't reach out like this to grab a cup of coffee off of my table next to my chair, I couldn't do it without pain, and I thought, I can't go through life like this. So, oh yeah, absolutely, yeah. Hiking, I couldn't use my poles because I couldn't reach out like this, because it hurt so much. Just doing general stuff. I mean, around the house, like it was in constant pain. So like even cleaning the house, how you do windows and stuff like that, I couldn't do it. I did. Okay, so I used like Tiger Balm and those pads, that icy hot things, and they alleviated the pain temporarily, but they didn't address the root issue. So,
yeah. So like, some people take an Advil and then 20 minutes later it's like, okay.
Yeah, exactly. So I'd been to physical therapy probably 20 years ago when I tore some ligaments in my ankle. I waited too long to address the issue, and so it didn't really, it alleviated the pain, but it didn't really fix the problem. Where in this instance, I feel like I've really addressed the root issue and it's fixed the problem. Don't wait. Don't be dumb like this guy and wait. You know what I'm saying? Just do it. Yeah. Well, the atmosphere, it's very, very friendly. It's almost like family, So yeah, very, very, very nice environment. It's a pleasure to come here. Yeah, so I want to be able to move my arm, without pain, and mission accomplished.